Hello and welcome to the 10th installment of the Guns and Gear series. If you've been following the series for a while now, you've noticed that it's mostly been on guns and hardly any gear. The knife video should have been the last one. That I guess you consider was a piece of gear. But I'm going to start doing some more gear in between the guns. I got this vest here that I got the other day for $50. Came with a battle belt and a holster on eBay. We'll do separate reviews on each of those things. The name of this vest is the Matrix Tactical Systems High-Speed Combat Simulation Vest, C.I.R.A.S, S-I-R-A-S, and it is called Metal Gear Solid as what the e-Vike advertises it for. On e-Vike it's $79.99. It is a MOLLE system, so all the mag pouches and that thing there can all be switched around to whatever you need. Build quality on this vest is excellent. The tabs for the magazine are really hard, and they'll probably deflect BB hits pretty well. All this is very good. MOLLE webbing is good. It's not going to tear. Good Velcro panel on the admin pouch. Good straps. Overall, it's not a very heavy vest. Although if you put a bunch of stuff in it, it will become heavy. But I use plastic mags, or I'm going to be using plastic mags. As an example, I have these two mags. One of them is G&G, so it's slightly taller, and I'll show you how the normal mag looks in one of these. So there's a normal mag. Here's a G&G mag. It slightly raises the lip since they're a little taller. See how the lip is all tall like that. These M4 shingles can hold 2 magazines each from an M4. Hold them just fine. Overall, this vest can hold 8 mags in total of M4 mags, and if you really wanted to, you could put more mags in here, maybe 3 maximum. Overall, my loadout can hold a maximum of 10 mags since I have a shingle on my belt, so that's 10 M4 mags altogether. It has this thing next to the admin pouch for like a grenade or light or something. Most people would think of using a pistol mag, but I'll show you why that's a dumb idea. It's just too big. You'd have to pull the Velcro tab all the way down to here, and then even then there's hardly any Velcro holding it on. So you have to put something big in there. Probably not a mag. I had a KWA extended mag for a Glock that didn't fit in there. It went too high. There's a little utility pouch here with MOLLE webbing on the outside. There's a pocket. There's a pocket right here for storing other stuff that you want to keep separate. Most people put stuff like batteries, extra BBs, stuff that you might need on the field, and then you store it in your little pouch. Maybe food, maps. Or no, maps would go in your admin panel. Food, maybe water bottles fit in there, and air splat sells those cans of green gas that are kind of small. They'll probably fit in there. If you really wanted to, you could put a little pistol in there. Take a closer look at the vest. See, there's a system with a pulley cord on it, where from here, where you pull this, and I'm not sure. I don't want to do it because I don't want to mess it up. It's supposed to release all of it at once, or help you take it apart. I don't want to do that though. The straps on the shoulders are Velcro fitted with pulley tabs, and these for slings. Here's the Velcro panel on the admin patch, and you know, this comes off pretty easily. It undoes itself. The admin pouch is pretty good. There's a pocket here for cell phones, keys, stuff like that, and then there's another one in the back that has Velcro on it, and then there's another one which is right next to your chest. This is actually kind of thin, so you're gonna feel the BB hits. There's nowhere to put the fake SAPI plates or real ones in this vest. It's all sealed off, so you can't put any plates in it. There's a carry drag handle in the back. Seems to be integrated quite well, so this isn't going to rip off. On the back, you see you got a lot of moly weaving and a Velcro panel for like a name tag or more patches. Inside of here is your hydration carrier. Maybe you could fit a smaller SAPI plate in there if you wanted to, so you could fit your hydration in there. Then route the tube through these points, and you can have it in the front of the vest. Putting this vest on is a little different from other vests you may have seen. I've noticed that Matrix uses this system. It looks like a pretty good system, and sometimes it might not be. Kind of gets a little tight, but it depends on how you adjust it. I'm going to demonstrate for you. Alright, so to undo this vest, the Velcro tabs come off here. Then on the other side of the vest. On the inside there's like this thing to attach to your waist. So the whole vest isn't really going to move around too much. It should stay on. This is just undone. It's Velcro. The whole thing is just a bunch of Velcro. Velcro tends to stick to each other, so try to keep it apart. Once that's done, you just slip this over your head. You bring it around, and then you grab the other panel, bring that around, and Velcro it underneath you like this. From here, you probably want to adjust it so that it's comfortable at this stage. Then you grab these panels, and then you move them back to here with all this Velcro, and try to get it as tight on there as you can. And that's how the vest is put on. Really easy to get off if you have to. Just grab them both at the same time. You got the vest off. This is a very good vest. I personally recommend it. They're really popular on e-bike and they sell out quickly, so I suggest you buy them while you can. I was in the price range for this, about $100 for a different vest. It was a plate carrier from Matrix, and it was a little different than this. But you know, $50, I couldn't pass it up. This was my second pick out of the two vests from Matrix that I wanted, and I'm happy with this one. So recommend you buy this. It's got my seal of approval, and check out my other reviews.